Welcome to the instructional part of the video. Check the description box below in your YouTube player for tabs and backing tracks, on my website, information about the sound tools I'm using, and links to other goodies via my Patreon page. Now, let's begin. So, first things first, this song is in 5/4 time, which means you're going to be counting in a 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5. Other famous songs in 5/4, well, take 5. What's that one in? So, the main groove that this is over is going to be key of E major, E, E. So what we're going to come in there with is, I'm thinking of this E structure here. Ooh, let the light hit my hand. Which is a cage structure, a C structure. So what we got there is I'm focused on 6 on the D, 5 on the B. Then we get a little 7, 4. And so we got that, 7, 4, and then here's a little E lick. And really that's E mixolydian. Let's look at that. There's an E chord, 5, 4, 5, 4. Get it again, and then get these little mixo notes. That little 7 to 6. By the way, there's slow down gears in YouTube. Over here, depending on what device you're on. 3/4 speed is a good idea. Spacebar pauses. Arrows go forward and back. That way, you know, I'm going at a pretty good clip here because there's a lot to cover. Land on that 6th fret. So this is all still out of that. Then hybrid picking. I think you can see that. Those fingers there. I'm going to get 6, 0, 0. Jump to my D string. 5, 4, 2, 0. That's our opening. And then we have our main melody, which the chord progression now is just a small town girl living in a lonely world. It's hard to believe that I don't have a partner. It's the progression. It's the progression that every song is. E, B, C sharp minor, A. They call it the axis of awesome. You could call it the gospel progression. You could call it let it be. You could call it 1, 5, 6, 4. It's a beautiful progression. So I'm singing this E chord here, or maybe this one here. 9th fret on my B. 9, 9, 9, 9, 12, 9. Then a B chord, so I'm going, I see him. And then I got that 7, 8 on the G. 7 on the B. Little pre-bend. Pre-bend means bent before. Before you don't want, you could, but doesn't, no, don't. Here's my C sharp minor. So there I am, 11 and 9. Here's an A chord. Caged dudes, duders, dudettes. Caged, man, it's all caged. Caged and pentatonics, it's all you ever need. Or at least all I ever need. So that is 11, 9, 10. Love it. And then we're going to get out of it. 9, 11, slide it back to 9, and then 7. Beautiful major pentatonic thing. Then we're back to that same thing from the beginning. That's the same from the opening. And then we have a new melody. This sounds really good in here. I hope it sounds good out there. Top boost channel cranked pretty hard. Attenuator running. Yeah, running at full attenuation. Beyer distract myself with my good tone. Where was I? Oh yeah. And we want you to sleep. So yeah, now we're E major pentatonic. Okay, yeah, there I am. Doing some bends there with the 11. Land on that 9. 10, 12. Nice. Just does it twice. And then switches to minor. So that melody, yeah, I kind of pivot back to that 9, and now I'm going to bend on that 10 up a step. 10, 8, 10. There's the minor part. What is that? That is 8, 7, 8, 10. Pull them off. 9, 7, 9. Okay, now I'm just being silly. I guess I don't want to be too much in the glare here. Then a switch to what we could commonly think of as the worst sounding pickup on the Strat, the bridge pickup. But in this setting, it works. Thin, bitey, ouch, ouch. So I got an E power chord. Just a 5 and a 4 there, that's a D. And then a C chord, but no third in there, just D power chords. You got an E power chord now up the octave. And then, because the melody interacts with the C, a C add 9, 3, 0, 3, and a D7, 0, 2, 1, back to that E power chord. Fun little, riff out section. Yeah, I purposely made that part kind of aggressive. I think I troll my own channel sometimes, and I was looking back at stuff. I was like, I've been playing too soft lately. Let me make sure I put in some punchy stuff there. So yeah, I did. And then I keep it in there, does that twice, and then you got the... So you have this chord progression that's going to be A minor and then D, G and then C, which is, nice little jazzy kind of progression. So A minor, 0, 2, 5, get that little 4th fret note, that B. Here's that D. So again, D power chord, pinky out to that 5, and my G. Sorry. Not sorry. So that's just like a rock G. So 3 muted out 0, 0, and then I'll get that 4 on that G string to get the 3rd. Just make sure everybody's still rolling. You have to check with your devices because computers randomly break. It's good. Everything's good. 9 minutes in, it's working. So great chord, by the way. There's the G. And then C power chord. I'm doing it with those two because I know I'm going to get that B unison. So 3, 5, 4th fret of, 4th fret of our G equals our B. And then this is tricky. The song switches to 3, 4 when Jesus comes back in, you'll be lost, you'll be so sorry when I'm gone. When it kicks into Jack Black mode. So then you have to kind of change the count. And I had to count in my head, 1, 2. That's how I landed that. So I'm thinking my B here, and I'm just doing, typical. So that little lick out of my B blues, 9 and 7s. Yep, you'll be lost, so sorry. And then, that's just blues notes. 7 and 10. And then some unison bends. So on a B, because B is up here at our 12th fret. I'm just silly today. Anyway, 12th fret, and then we're going to unison bend that 14 underneath. So he stays regular, and then the other two push. There you go. And then you're just back around to. And I switched my pickup selector back to the sweep pickup. Cool. I think, that's all. I'm doing changing the way I shoot things. So now, usually I cut to me talking, and now I'll just talk. Why did I do this song? I don't know. I really like this soundtrack. This song and Temple are two of my favorite songs on it. And I think, I can remember back to high school covering this song in, the band that is now Roadside Graves. But back then, I think we were called the Billy Crosbys. I think we covered this, if I remember correctly. And I've liked this song since then. It seems apropos for the complete tailspin of reality that 2020 that we're in. So I was like, this is a funny thing for Eric to do. Plus, good cage things to work on, and all sorts of challenging articulations. Like everything, take it piece by piece, really digesting each piece. I'm actually going to make a video about exactly that, exactly what I mean, how you know when you're actually done, when you've actually gotten the thing together. To be continued. We'll see. That's all. Thanks for watching.